Passing my Forex fund is very easy and simple if you use this trading strategy. Hello traders, welcome back to GolgiFx, and this is your boy Golgi. So in this video, I'll show you the exact strategy that I use to pass my Forex fund phase 2 challenge in just one day. So if you are looking for the best strategy to pass my Forex fund, then this video is for you. So watch this video to the end and share this video with other people so they can learn this strategy. So if you are new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to be notified on the coming videos. Traders, let's get into the video. So to pass my Forex fund challenge, there are 3 things that you need for you to be able to pass this challenge. And the first one is a proven trading strategy. The second one is a good risk to reward. And the third one is to become patient when trading. So let's take it one by one. And the first one that I want to talk about is using good risk to reward when trading. Risk management is the key of trading, as the goal of every trader is to maintain his capital and to make more profit. So if you currently look on my screen here, this is my Forex fund account and this is the second challenge that I took. If you want to check my first challenge, look at the upper right corner of this video. I'll pop up that video for you to also watch how I passed my first challenge in just 2 days. But with this video, I'm showing you the second phase of my Forex fund challenge, which I passed in just 1 day. So currently, if you look up here, you could see that the days is just 59 days left, meaning I used 1 day to pass the challenge, and the profit target was 500, and I've even made more than that in just 1 day. And my win rate is 100%. My average return is $72, and most of the pairs that I was trading was the JPY pairs. So if you come here, you could see my trades here. The first trade was 0.01, next one 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, and 0.1. So based on my risk management plan that I was using, which helped me to pass this challenge in just 1 day. So I'll show you the 3 things that I do when it comes to my risk management plan. So the first one is I try to risk only 1 to 2% of my capital. The next one is I always target a trade which will give me 1 to 3 risk to reward. And the last one is anytime I place a trade, I'm targeting 1 to 3, and if my trade gets to 2% of my profit, I break even the trade, or I put my stop loss to break even, whereby I leave the trade to run. So I'll show you the Excel sheet that I use, or my risk management plan that I use, so that you can copy it or you can learn from this as you trade or as you start my Forex fund account. So if I come to Excel here, you could see this is a GolgiFx risk management tool that I developed. You could see that my startup capital is 10,000, and I'm just risking 1% of my trade, which is $100, and some of them to it was 15 pips to 45 take profit. So I was losing 15 pips and I was taking profit at 45, which is 1 to 3, and the other one too, my stop loss was around 50 pips and my take profit was around 150 pips. So you could see my position loss size is 0.2. That's why if you go to my trade, you could see that most of my trades I have 0.1 open here. You could see 0.1, 0.1, 0.1 open, because if you come to my risk sheet, you could see that my lot size, or the lot size I can use, is 0.2. So I just slide it into 2. I use 0.1, 0.1, and I just go to my second risk, then I use 0.1, 0.1. So this is a simple risk management sheet that I developed, which guides me anytime that I'm trading. And this is the reason why I've always been passing this trading just 2 days in just 1 day, because I have good risk management tool that I use. So traders, the next thing that I also want you to do is to look at your trading strategy. So after having a good risk management tool, you should also have a good trading strategy. A good trading strategy is not a trading strategy that has 100% win rate. Even though you can see here my win rate is 100%, if you check my first challenge too, my win rate is around 94%. This does not mean that all my trades hit my take profit. Sometimes I lose and sometimes I win. So I'll go to my MT5 platform, and you could see these are the trades that I took here. It's still here. So I'll show you the trading strategy that I use to pass this challenge. And also with my first challenge, I was still trading this pair. You can see that I use a simple trading strategy, which is just following the overall direction of the market and understanding your supply and demand of the pair. So if you look at the daily time frame, you could see the market is already pushing to the upside. So what should I do? I go to the 4-hour time frame. I just follow market structure. I don't use much indicators. The only indicator that I use, which I'll be showing you in my next video, is the run levels. I'll go into deep details of how you can use this indicator, because institution mark levels whereby they want to add a lot of position to their trades. So I'll show you in my coming videos. So you could see that in my first challenge, I was around this level whereby I was just using simple supply and demand trading strategy. I wait for an impulse move, wait for the correction, and I enter a trade. So with this, you can see impulse move, correction, your supply. You see the demand is around this level. I push, I buy. Wait, this one you could see, you could have taken a trade here. You can check my first video. You see this trade. Take a trade here to move to the upside. Take your profit. 1 to 3, 15 pips, 45 pips, take profit. And this one, you could see the trades that I took for me to pass this challenge was around this point. I took this trade around here, and my take profit was around here. But since I passed the challenge, I just closed the trade around here. And also, we are ending to the weekend, so I just have to close this trade. So traders, this is not the only trade I took. I also took trade in the GBP JPY, which is also highly correlated with the USD JPY. So I took both trades at the same time, and I risked just 2% of my capital in each trade to pass the challenge in just one day. So traders, this is a simple trading strategy that I use, just understanding supply and demand. Wait for impulse move, correction, and take the trade, or look for the impulse move, and when I see the supply, I just wait and buy around this level at a high and sell to the downside. So there are some key things that you should also know when using this trading strategy, which is understanding the overall direction of the market, which will really help you. So you can do top-down analysis for monthly, weekly, daily to understand the overall direction of the market before you can take your trade. You don't need much indicators when using this trading strategy. The only indicator that you can use is your FIB. You can also use moving average if you want to use that to replace the FIB, or you can always use MACD if you don't want to use much indicators, or you don't want to use moving average. So today, the last thing I want to talk about is also being patient when trading. You always have to be patient when you are trading. Patience is one of the key things that you need when trading. So as a trader, you don't have to force the market. You don't have to push yourself to take trades. You just have to be patient and wait for the market to get to the right point. Then you enter, then you make massive profit from trading. So traders, these are the 3 key things that you need for you to be able to pass my Forex fund trading challenges. And like I said, having a good or a proven trading strategy, having a good risk to reward trading strategy or a risk management tool, and being patient for market to get to a level that you want to trade and being trading. And with that, you'll be able to pass all challenges in 2 days to in 1 day. And even if you don't have the best trading strategy or you don't have a powerful trading strategy, you can still pass my Forex fund account and trade profitably. So traders, there's some key things that you need to know, and I wanted to share with you. And this ends the 2nd episode of my video. I'll show you the 3rd episode, which is trading in live accounts. So I'll show you how you can trade in live accounts and to also maintain your profits. There are other trading firms too which is available. You don't have to always use my Forex fund. You can check out any prop firm trading platform that you can use, which you feel comfortable with. But with this video, I use my Forex fund. So you can check the link in my description box below to register with them. You can also check my website. I post trade setups every week, and also my Telegram channel. You can check all these places, or you can even message me privately so that I can help you to pass my Forex fund challenges if you want to. So traders, that's all for this video. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.